Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a right-handed boog spin. Obviously knowing how to do a Man Spin Boog Spin would be a really good idea. Link to that in the description below, but you could jump in with this pretty much straight away. It starts right to right, and the spin for the lady is in a return direction, which means this is a way of fancying up the end of a move. I'll show you. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, and 3. So let's break it down. This is right to right, semicircle back. You want to be in a position where the lady would be wanting to do a return, so she's ready to go to her left. We're going to bring her forwards. We're effectively doing a man spin, turning to the right, so that left arm is going to go over the top. As we bring the lady forwards, hands coming to the hip. In fact, we're actually bringing the kind of forearm to the hip, make it a gentle contact, but we are going to push through from there. So the arm is clear, we push through, we continue past turning right, the lady spins around in a return direction, so that's to her left behind, and then we just catch. I'm going to catch in the left, you catch in whichever hand you're going to need next. So let's do it again from this side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, through the hip 2, and catch 3, just like that. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, right-handed boog spin. We go a back, through, and catch, just like that. So I hope that gives you another option for fancying up the end of your moves when you had a right-handed return normally. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Yay! Tell your friends. And if you have your notifications turned on in your settings and you hit the bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.